Welcome, GATE aspirants. Today we'll discuss the aptitude questions asked in the Computer Science afternoon session, GATE 2021.
So let's see the very first question asked in the aptitude. So the theta is the angle between largest diagonal of the cube and its any side. So what is the value of cosine theta? We can calculate the cos of theta as the side divided by the diagonal. So it is 1 upon root 3 is the answer for the question 1. Next question is given based on the graph. Bar chart is given where the shaded portion is for the units sold and the second bar is for the profit. They are given the different statements to have or to calculate the cost per unit. They are not given the direct values. They are given the relationship, and from that relationship we come to know the values for the cost per unit for year 1, 2, 3. So for year 3 the cost is 1 rupees per unit. For second year it is 3, and for third year 1 it is 1 rupees, as same as the year 3. So from this we have to calculate the ratio of selling price. What is the ratio of selling price for year 3 to the selling price for year 2? Again they have given the profit equal to the selling price minus the cost and the tax. Again they have given the tax, some equations for the tax, and from that we have to calculate the ratio SP3 divided by SP2. The next question asked is, you are given such a diagram, and for this diagram we have to calculate, we have to find out the matching figure to form the rectangle. So in this case the answer may be in the flipped form or rotated form. So the correct option is not the directly, it is in the flipped form like this. So it is left to right flipped. The next question is where to find out the analogy. Pen is to write. So knife is for cut. So B, cut is the correct option. In the next question, you are given x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to x plus 2. Find the value of x. So very simple question. Apply a minus b whole square and rearrange the equation like this. So the final value of x is 4. X equal to 4. The next question is, you are given the diagram which is drawn on a transparent paper. So when you fold from left to right, how the figure will appear? So the correct option is drawn here. So that is the correct answer. This is the next question. I could not remember whether this is the aptitude question or the technical section question, but there is one of this question of number system. So 0.1101, this binary number is equal to 0.8 xy5 to the base 10. So in this case you have to find out the value of x plus y. So after point we have to multiply the binary digits with 2 raised to minus 1, minus 2 and so on. After solving this, we have obtained the value 0.8125. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So when we calculate x plus y, we have 1 plus 2 as 3. So 3 is the correct answer. Next question is, we have given a ratio of students in the three classes as 3 is to 13 is to 6. There are 18 students. After adding the 18 students in each class, the ratio becomes 15 is to 35 is to 21. So what is the total number of students before adding the 18 students in it? The answer is 88. Let's see how I have solved this. So sometimes you could not recognize the technique. In that case, you can use the options. So when we have the 88 students, the 3 is to 13 is to 6 ratio would be divided. So when you multiply all these numbers with the 4, 3 4s are 12. So it becomes 12 is to 52 is to 24. Right, so when you sum up, it gives you 88. So when you add 18 students to each of these numbers, so it becomes 30, 70 and 42. And when you divide all these by 2, the ratio becomes 15 is to 35 is to 21, which is given in the question. So our assumption that it would be 88 students is correct. So the answer is 88. When para is given regarding the music, effect of music, if we listen the music during the physical exercise, it results in the better. The few of the researchers have studied the effect of music on the students to analyze the effect of music on the student. The student may do better with the music, or the students which require external stimuli may worsen the results than the students who don't require the external stimuli. So in this case, the options are given. The music is better during the physical exercise, and another option is both the effects of music on the physical exercise and for studying the students is better. So the answer would be the music is better during the physical exercise but not for the students during the studying for all the students. They have given the other options that few students have the better effect of music. And another question, Geeta plays guitar dash her sister. So Geeta plays guitar as good as her sister. If there is no option as good as, then it would be as better as. So these are the aptitude questions asked in the afternoon session.
Soon, the technical section questions and solutions will be discussed. Stay tuned and like the video. Thank you.